To fix GoDaddy chat support not showing, follow these easy steps to resolve the problem in minutes. First, ensure you are logged into your GoDaddy account, as the chat support feature is only available to registered users. Next, check your internet connection to confirm it is stable and working properly. A slow or unstable connection can prevent the chat support from loading. Then, verify that you have enabled JavaScript and cookies in your browser settings, as these are required for the chat support to function. You can do this by going to your browser settings, then selecting the Security or Privacy tab, and ensuring that JavaScript and cookies are enabled. If the issue persists, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can be done by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-R keys on Windows or Command-Shift-R on Mac, or by going to your browser settings and selecting the option to clear browsing data. Additionally, check if there are any browser extensions or add-ons that may be blocking the chat support. Try disabling any recently installed extensions or add-ons to see if this resolves the issue. If none of the above steps work, try using a different browser or device to access the GoDaddy chat support. This will help you determine if the issue is specific to your browser or device. Finally, if you are still unable to access the chat support, contact GoDaddy support directly via phone or email to report the issue and receive further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with GoDaddy chat support not showing in just a few minutes.